All right guys, so let's break down this haircut. So what I did again is I used number 2 and faded it up about right here, and then by hand I blended it in to about right here, and this is completely disconnected. As you can see here, completely disconnected. However, in through here, it's blended in going this way. So from about here back, it's all blended in. Okay, then we're working around this way. It's all blended up until about this point here, and then this is completely disconnected up until about right here. I've seen, it's hard to tell sometimes, but I've seen a number of pictures where it looks like this is completely disconnected and undercut right in through here. I've also seen it where it's completely down like this, and it looks like it's pretty much straight across like this, which led me to believe that it is an undercut and it's all cut underneath and then slicked back like this. Then the top is about, I'd say, 3.5 to 4 inches the most right into the front here. And then also throughout the complete top, it's about that. And then a little bit shorter in the back to where it's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches to 2 inches to 3 inches going forward. And then you can use any product to style it depending on the look you want. For this particular product, you can check in the description.